Hello friends, in today's video, we are gonna take a deep dive into the scientific aspects of Springe of Tears plant. We'll explore topics like its cellular structure, nutrients absorption, and even its unique adaptations to different environments. Springe of Tears, also known as Senecio Herreianus, is a stunning succulent with cascading strands of tear-shaped leaves. This beauty is native to South Africa and is loved for its delicate appearance and low maintenance needs. Now, let's talk about giving your Springe of Tears real energy boost. This plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, so find a spot that is like a power-up for its growth. Make sure it gets plenty of those energizing rays. But be careful not to expose it to direct sunlight, which can zap its leaves. Springe of Tears can easily be propagated through stem cuttings. Here's how you can do it. Select a healthy stem. Make sure it has several sets of leaves. Using clean, sharp scissors, cut the stem just below the leaf node. A leaf node is where the leaf attaches to the stem. A combination of regular potting soil and perlite or sand does the trick. This helps prevent water from getting trapped and ensures proper airflow to the roots. Gently insert the cutting into the soil, making sure it's stable. Water sparingly, allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Remember, it's better to underwater than to overwater this beauty. With patience and care, your Springe of Tears will develop roots and grow into a new plant. Let's dive into more detail about the temperature preferences of Springe of Tears. To keep it happy, aim for a temperature range of about 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It prefers warmer temperatures during the day and slightly cooler temperatures at night. Avoid exposing it to extreme temperature fluctuations, as it can stress the plant. I hope you had a great time checking out my video. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on it. Please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to share.